In today's video, I'll teach you how to contact seller on Amazon. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now after you do that, what you have to do is go to the official website of Amazon. For that, click on the search bar. Now type in amazon.com and press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Amazon. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find various products over here. What you have to do is simply click on the product of the seller that you want to contact. If you do not find the product over here, you can also search for the specific product of that particular seller. Click on the search bar that you can see right over here on your screen. After you do that, you'll be able to search for the products. Here, I'm just going to select one of these products. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find the details regarding that product over here. Simply scroll down. Now under the section for additional details, you'll be able to find this option for report an issue with this product or seller. Simply click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to contact the seller by simply reporting an issue. You'll be able to see the question over here, what is wrong with this page? Simply click on this field. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Over here, what you have to do is find the option that matches the reason that you want to contact the seller for. If you do not find the reason over here, click on this option other that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to find this question for what is the issue. Click on this field. Now you can enter the issue over here. It is completely optional. Now once you enter the issue, click on the submit option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here your feedback has been sent to the seller. Now after you do that, the seller will receive your feedback. They'll look into your issue and contact you. So like this, you'll be able to contact them. So that is how you contact seller on Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.